Millions of Americans are living without health care insurance, and all of them are only one accident or serious illness away from bankruptcy or worse. In 2010, when President Obama signed the Affordable Care Act, we hoped that those men, women, and children would finally be able to get the care they needed. We hoped it would make a difference in people's lives. But we knew it would only be successful if people enrolled. So we set out to make sure people enrolled.
Enrollment in the Affordable Care Act, or Obamacare, begins October 1st. We take you now to the City of Commerce, where they're ramping up. They're trying to sign up as many people as possible to receive health insurance under the act.
Even before enrollment officially began, we were making calls and knocking on doors, getting thousands in East LA on the path to coverage.
Today, about 100 families in Boyle Heights and East LA learned about their health care options once the law takes effect. This event was organized by the Service Employees International Union, United Healthcare Workers.
When October 1st hit, we were ready. We turned the focus of our entire union to making sure we got Californians enrolled into health care. We organized dozens of enrollment events across the state.
This weekend, hundreds of events are taking place to help people enroll through Covered California, including this one in Bell Gardens.
Healthcare workers and volunteers were signing people up at the Central Church of Christ in downtown Bakersfield today.
The goal was getting people signed up in Chico.
Today, some people in Salinas were able to get the ball rolling.
Enrollment fair in San Francisco is one of several held today in the Bay Area.
KPIX5 reporter Julie Watts at a sign-up center in Richmond with more on this last-minute rush.
And as SEIU-UHW members, we stepped up to help people get covered.
I'm doing this because before I started working for Kaiser, I actually, I had really bad health insurance, and if it wasn't for Kaiser, I'd be standing in line along with everybody else here.
I'm here because I want to see people get covered. We all deserve to be covered, and I'm here as a cheerleader to make sure it gets done.
As the March 31st deadline to enroll approached, we made one last big push.
Tomorrow is the deadline for those without health insurance to sign up under the Affordable Care Act. Live in Commerce, where an enroll-a-thon is set to take place in the morning.
Taking a page from the union's Get Out the Vote playbook, healthcare workers work the phones, urging people to come out and sign up for Obamacare. The SEIU's Enroll-a-thon, as they've nicknamed it, begins at 5 a.m.
People line up out the door at this enroll-a-thon in Sacramento today.
Hundreds of people already taking advantage of this. They've been at it since 7 o'clock today, trying to make sure everybody gets enrolled in health care.
This late-night Obamacare sign-up center, operated by the Service Employees International Union, SEIU, has been up and running since 5 o'clock in the morning, and the lines have stretched around the building for most of the day and into the night.
Come on down. Time to get your Obamacare. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like...
The enrollment period was over, and we had done what we do best. We had organized. We organized 175 enrollment events. We organized our co-workers to volunteer for 2,236 shifts at those events. And we organized the members of our communities to turn out and get enrolled. Working together, taking the lead, we enrolled 11,267 men, women, and children into their health care plans. But what's even more amazing, despite the critics and the skeptics, we helped make Obamacare a reality for millions. And this is only the beginning.
If you know what happiness is to you,